It's time for a quick trick. Can you take your magic wand and tap a nickel, change it to a penny? Sure you can. I'll show you how after this.
Today's quick trick is brought to you by peas. Peas are a member of the legume family. The seeds grow in pods. There are 3 types of peas: green peas, snow peas, and snap peas. Canada is the largest world producer and exporter of peas. They grow about 3 million tons of peas each year.
Peas are a great source of vitamin C. They also contain vitamin K and vitamin A. Peas also are high in fiber. Place those all together and you have the pea.
Pack some fresh peas in your lunchbox for a special treat.
And now here's the quick trick secret. For this trick, you're going to need a nickel, a penny, a magic wand. You can use a regular magic wand or you can even use a pen. You're also going to need some beeswax. You can take a little bit of the wax and place it to the tip of your pen or your magic wand. You cover the nickel over the penny, and you're ready to begin. To perform, show the nickel, wave your magic wand over it, and as you touch the magic wand to the nickel, the beeswax holds the nickel in place, and you wind up with the penny. Let me show you how that looks in real time. There we go. Watch real carefully. See that? And that's the quick trick secret. For more quick tricks, be sure to check out our website. In the meantime, try this at home for your friends, and they'll think you're a magician.